In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Canon Pixma TR4500 series printer. So you will see there is a warning light on the printer display panel. Also we can see on the screen it displays the error 1300, so we have to fix it. The easiest way to fix the error is to go back to the printer. At the back side of the printer we have the option to open it, so you just have to press it like this and lift the printer up. Take the paper out from this side, so you just have to pull it out. Now close it. Go to the printer screen, press OK. So this will fix the error and it will remove the paper jam. Thanks for watching.